Imagine a simple scenario. You upload just a few videos, and you make a few $1,000s. No filming, no studio, no face on camera. Sounds like a fantasy? But this is exactly how YouTube works in 2025. And the best part? Anyone can do it. In this video, you'll see real-life examples of channels that earn from $1,000 to nearly $3,000 per month without ever showing their face. We'll go over each channel's niche, the type of content they make, and most importantly, how much they actually earn. But before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It only takes a second, but it really helps this content reach more people. I'm about to show you 12 profitable niches that are already working on YouTube right now. If you've been wanting to start a channel but didn't know where to begin, this video is for you, because it all starts with picking the right niche. The first channel on our list is Bound. It has over 146,000 subscribers and just 23 videos. But this is a perfect example of where quantity doesn't matter, quality and presentation do. Bound went viral thanks to a simple yet powerful concept. Headlines like, "Why it sucks to be born as a dolphin," recognizable animal graphics, and strong storytelling, all without showing a face or filming anything. Each video tells the story of an animal's life from an unexpected angle. Biology, harsh facts, and irony, all combine into a unique channel style. Videos are over 10 minutes long, allowing for multiple ad placements and higher earnings. Here are the numbers. In the last 28 days, Bound got over 2.5 million views, with an RPM of $2.27. That brought in $5,336 just from YouTube ads. The next two channels use a similar visual style, but focus on different sub-niches. They also don't show faces, use simple graphics, and tell very different but equally engaging stories. Based Play-Doh takes viewers deep into the past, your life as a knight, a jester, a medieval surgeon, or even a dirt collector. These are humorous, factual reconstructions told in second person so the viewer experiences it firsthand. In the last 28 days, the channel received 346,000 views, with an RPM of $5.47, generating $1,490 in revenue. Jinx plays with dark humor through fictional and historical characters. Why it sucked to be a spy, a ninja, a mafia boss, or a pharaoh. It's ironic, fact-based, and creatively written. In the last 28 days, 357,000 views, RPM of $5.44, leading to $2,507 in revenue from just 13 published videos. Curse Notes specializes in creepy, anxiety-inducing content. The concept: eerie footage that looks like it was caught on camera in real life, abandoned buildings, camping scenes, surveillance videos, strange figures, and clowns. The videos lean into a "this could really happen" vibe with tension and pacing, and are over 20-40 minutes long, allowing for multiple ads. In the past 28 days, 477,000 views, RPM $3.62, for a total of $1,927. Drive is all about Formula One. It blends emotional driver stories, career breakdowns, crashes, and lifestyle insights. The storytelling is cinematic, with voiceovers, real footage, and solid editing. Audience: not just F1 fans, but anyone who loves drama, ambition, and intensity. Videos run from 8 to 21 minutes, perfect for full monetization. In the past 28 days, 716,000 views, RPM $3.1, and $2,221 in ad revenue. Throttle Talk is in the same F1 niche, but with a different edge. Here, it's not just storytelling, it's opinion, critique, and even bold attacks on drivers. Headlines, scripts, and edits are built to spark emotion and debate. The videos are 8 to 12 minutes long, optimal for monetization. Last 28 days, 587,000 views, RPM $3.08, earning $1,982. Drew creates short motivational content with simple visuals, just text, emojis, and voice. Topics: confidence, addiction to social media, self-discipline, habits. The videos are short, 3 to 5 minutes, easy to watch, and often shared. Current RPM is $3.56 strong for this niche. The channel got just 7,252 views in the past 28 days, earning $25, but likely just activated monetization. And with this RPM, even 300K views per month could mean over $1,000 pressed. It's a niche worth starting, especially for beginners. Combat Capital focuses on MMA, UFC, and combat sports, but with a twist. It's not just sports recaps, it's full-scale breakdowns, controversies, and behind-the-scenes drama. Strong storytelling and dramatic editing keep viewers locked in. Videos are around 9-17 minutes, great for monetization. In the last 28 days, 396,000 views, RPM $3.25, with $1,462 in ad revenue. Real data, 360 turns football stats into engaging visuals, player comparisons, records, transfers, all done with fast-paced infographics and on-screen text. Videos are short, usually under 5 minutes, allowing frequent uploads and strong growth. In the last 28 days, 835,000 views, RPM $1.19, generating $990 in revenue. Villain Catcher mixes pop culture, films, and crime themes. What if fictional villains were judged in real courts? Squid Game, Marvel, animated characters all analyzed as real offenders. With bold thumbnails and dramatic scripts, this channel grabs attention. Videos, 8 to 21 minutes. Views, 537,000 in 28 days. RPM, $5.47. Revenue, $2,941. Everything Explained is an encyclopedia-style channel that explains literally anything from Lego Precision to Everest to racetracks in the desert. It's educational but fast-paced, visual, and catchy. Perfect for mass appeal. Videos run 8-14 minutes. In the last 28 days, 1.26 million views, RPM $2.7. Income $2,955. K9IA, K9pedia, is all about dogs. Their behavior, mistakes owners make, and animal psychology all told in dramatic, attention-grabbing formats. Titles like "This is not safe" or "Dogs can see this but you can't. Pull the click." Videos are 4-7 minutes, fully automatable. AI script plus AI voice plus stock footage equals consistent traffic. In the past 28 days, 732K views, RPM $1.8, $2, revenue $1,345. All of these 12 niches, they're already working. Now it's your turn. Pick one, come up with a name, create your channel, set it up, and just start uploading. Thanks for watching until the end. That means you're serious about this, and you already have more chances than 99% of people who just watch motivation and do nothing. Now, it's your move. Subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment. Which one of these channels surprised you the most? Because your engagement is what helps this video take off.